Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance. You can use it to grind, pulse or mix a variety of foods. It is similar to a blender, and you can effectively grind coffee beans in a food processor. 4 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But unless you're making those more than once a week, a small food processor or spice grinder will do just fine. And while a food processor is great for coarse pastes of ginger, onions, and garlic, a blender will render a much finer paste. 9 February 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Start with a medium fine grind, and adjust it based on your preferences. For example, if your brew turns out sour, under-extracted, use a finer grind next time and/or increase your brew time slightly. If your brew ends up bitter, over-extracted, use a coarser grind next time and/or decrease your brew time.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can you grind coffee in a food processor? Yes, you can grind your coffee beans in a processor or any food processing apparatus that comes with a blade. Let the processor go to work on your beans for a few minutes and you'll get a medium fine grind.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Nutribullet provides convenience and versatility. Not only can you use it to grind your coffee beans, but you can also use it as a blender for many other ingredients. You can use your Nutribullet to liquefy such other ingredients quickly. 2 October 2018.
Take our lead.
This Magimix mill attachment for blenders features specially designed blades which grind up coffee beans and spices in just seconds. The borosilicate glass jug is heat-resistant and features a watertight lid.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.